I just made some yummy pumpkin drop cookies. Let me show you how I make them. Okay, let's get started on these yummy pumpkin cookies. Our first few little ingredients is sugar. I'm gonna add a cup of firm packed brown sugar in this, and then we'll add 3/4 cup of white sugar. And then to that, we're gonna add us a 1/2 cup of softened butter. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend these 2 sugars up with our butter, and we're gonna get it just really good and fluffy. And when I get done mixing it, I'll show you how it needs to look. Okay, now that we've got that incorporated, we're gonna add us a whole cup of pumpkin. To that, I'm gonna add me a teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then what we'll do, we'll incorporate all that together. Okay, now we're gonna add us 1 egg, and we'll blend that all real good. Okay, next we're gonna add our flour, and that's 1 3/4 cup of flour, all purpose, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then I've got me a teaspoon of baking powder. To that, we're gonna add us a teaspoon of salt. Okay, our next ingredient is 3/4 cup of the quick oatmeal, and you'll need to use the quick one though, not the regular that you gotta cook a long time. Then we're gonna add us a cup of raisins, 3/4 cup of chopped pecans, and to this I've got me a cup of the semi-sweet chocolate morsels, and then I added some pumpkin morsels, and that made a whole cup. I used a 1/2 cup of each. Okay, now we're going to incorporate this all together, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now that we've got this all mixed together, I got me a little ice cream scooper, and I'm just going to start dropping this on my cookie sheet. Now, I did spray this lightly, and now we're just going to start dropping them on there so we can get ready to bake them. And I've preheated my oven to 375, and we're going to bake these about 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to fill my little pan up, and when I get it filled up, I'll show you all the cookies on this. All right, let's get them in the oven. Okay, they're hot out of the oven, and look how good they look. And honey, they are yummy. But you know what? Nanny Shell's got to taste these though before I serve them. Yum, these are so good. You need to go make some and share them with your friends and family, and go make some beautiful memories. And always remember, smile, because God loves you, and baby, He's got this.